The best fishing vests is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for any angler, providing convenience and functionality on the water. When choosing a fishing vest, consider the number and size of pockets for storage, the material for durability and comfort, and the fit for unrestricted movement while casting. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 fishing vests and their key features plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. Number 5. Best Ultralight Allen Gallatin Vest. This option from Allen reduces restriction with straps only on the back and enough front to hold 12 pockets. Despite the weight of 11 ounces, Allen managed to fit 12 pockets onto the Gallatin, including 2 large enough for fly boxes. Great option for those that find vests restrictive or fish frequently in hot weather. Fabric patches on the inside make it easy to grab when gearing up in the early mornings. The Gallatin vest offers ample storage space while maintaining a lightweight and comfortable design. What we like. Looking for a lightweight option with plenty of storage? With 12 pockets and a minimalist design, this vest is perfect for those who find traditional vests restrictive or fish in hot weather. What people say. This is one of the best purchases I've made for fishing ever. It looks great and fits well. It holds a surprising amount of stuff for its size without bulging or becoming bulky. The quality throughout is outstanding. The lightweight vest has plenty of pocket storage and accommodated all the gear I need. A D or 2 on the front of the vest might help with attaching accessories, but I've managed with my attachments as is. Number 4. Best Hydration Pack Vest. Hydration Fishing Vest. For those who enjoy fishing or hiking with a hydration pack, our Hydration Fishing Vest offers easy access to water with a 1.5-liter reservoir integrated into a small backpack. The classic over-the-shoulder tube passes through plastic D-loops and stows on the front of the vest for easy sipping while out on the river. With 17 pockets, including 2 waterproof and zippered ones, our vest is equipped with fishing-specific features to enhance your fishing experience. The Velcro strapping system allows you to securely attach your rod to the vest, freeing up your hands when needed in the middle of a body of water. Made of 210D nylon, this 25.7 ounces vest is both lightweight and durable, perfect for outdoor adventures. What we like. If you enjoy hiking with a hydration pack, this backpack-style vest is for you. Stay hydrated with a 1.5-liter reservoir and free up your hands with the Velcro strapping system. What people say. Many pockets and different sized ones for any of your fishing or other needs. The compartments are easy to access and have closures that won't wear out. There is ample storage for all-day fishing, including packing a lunch and rain vest if needed. Number 3. Best for Kids. Youth Explorer Vest. For young anglers who want to look the part without breaking the bank, the Youth Explorer Vest from Eagle Eye Explorer is the perfect choice. With reflective straps and neon mesh pockets, your child will not only stand out but also stay safe while out on the water. Designed for kids aged 4 to 7, this vest features 6 pockets for storing snacks, gear, and personal items securely during their fishing adventures. Made with 100% cotton, this vest may not have all the high-tech features of adult vests, but it will make your child feel like part of the crew. Affordable, durable, and stylish, the Youth Explorer Vest is the perfect choice for young anglers looking to explore the great outdoors. What we like. Looking to outfit your young angler? This youth vest is perfect for kids aged 4 to 7, with reflective straps for visibility and 6 pockets to store snacks and gear safely. What people say. Material is very soft, not stiff or scratchy. Seams are strong. There was plenty of room to put a pair of binoculars in one zippered pocket and a small digital camera in another. My 5-year-old lives in this. He carries everything in the pockets. He pretends to be a naturist and educates us on all his wilderness knowledge when we go on hikes. Feels sturdy and well made. I like the fact that we could use this for Halloween, used for a fisherman costume, and when it gets warm again, we can use it to actually go fishing. Number 2. Best overall. FISHPOND GORE Range Vest. With 17 pockets, the GORE range vest is more than just a vest, it's a pack that can hold all your fishing essentials in one place. The frontal fly box pockets can fit large and small fly boxes, while the outer pockets fold down to reveal foam fly benches for easy fly selection. This garment is well thought out with dedicated spots for all your fishing tools, from hemostat to tippet to floatant. Adjustments on the shoulders and waist allow you to customize the fit, but some users may find the one-size-fits-most system limiting. While not budget-friendly, the FISHPOND GORE range vest offers quality and functionality that make it worth the price. What we like. Want a well-thought-out vest with plenty of storage options? The GORE Range Tech Pack has you covered with 17 pockets, dedicated spots for gear, and adjustable fit for a personalized experience. What people say. This is by far the best vest I have ever used. It holds everything, including my flask. It fits perfect, I can easily cast with it on, there is no bulk under the arms. Really nice vest. Mesh for breathability, and plenty of pockets, lash points, loops, etc. Smaller front pockets have the ability to serve as a fly box with foam lining. Number 1. Best Fishing Life Vest Combo. Leviathan Fishing Life Vest. When you're out on the water kayak fishing or surf fishing, the Leviathan Fishing Life Vest offers a convenient combination of a personal flotation device and a traditional fishing vest in a streamlined package. With 14 individual pockets, including zippered, mesh, and fleece-lined options, you'll have plenty of space to securely store your fishing gear while staying close to the water. The Leviathan features a rear PVC-free foam pad that sits high on your back to accommodate kayak seat backs, while the breathable mesh design ensures a tight fit without overheating. In addition to the multiple pockets, the vest also includes attachment points for clippers and a rubberized knife tool dock, providing all the necessary features for a successful fishing trip. Whether you're kayak fishing, surf fishing, or simply enjoying a day on the water, the Leviathan Fishing Life Vest from GORE is a versatile and practical choice for all your fishing adventures. What we like. Fishing close to the water. This life vest combines safety with functionality, boasting 14 pockets, fishing-specific features, and a breathable mesh design for all-day comfort. What people say. This PFD is extremely comfortable and customizable and plenty of pockets and attachment points. Great fishing vest. Had problem with UPS delivery and Outdoor Play really went the extra mile to try and track the package and to let me know that I would be taken care of. Hi decided to upgrade from a NRS Chinook PFD and I have zero regrets. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.